Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to extract duplicates from two tables in Excel. So in this example, I have two lists, students and courses. And what I want to do is to extract duplicates. These are records of students who fall in list A and list B, and then put them in a separate table here. To do this, we are going to use Excel's Power Query. This is an add-in if you are using Excel 2013, but if you are using 2016 beyond, it's located under Data, and you find the Power Query menu under the Get and Transform Data and Queries and Connections. So basically what we are going to do is to load these two tables as queries and then merge them to get the duplicates. So the first thing you need to do is to stand in the first table, and you can get data from a table. One of the connections is to a table. So from table, you click and it opens a new window. This window is the Power Query window. So basically what we are doing here is to load the table so you can work with it in Power Query. So once it's loaded and you get a preview, you click close and load to, and you save this as a connection. We'll do same for the second one. From table, and then we close and load that one as well as a connection. So I now have two queries, list A and list B. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge these two tables. So selecting list A, I will right click and then I'll choose merge. So when I choose merge, it takes me to this window where I select my first list. So the default is list A, which is the first table. I'm going to merge this with list B. So these are my two tables. I get a preview. Now the common column between these two is student and student. So I select these two. There are several kinds of join you can do, but in this particular case, the join we are doing is an inner join, which matches only rows that are the same. So you select inner join, and when you are done, you click OK. So when you click OK, you now have a new table that gives you the matching rows. So we have only Shamo and Nora who appear in both tables. Now, because it merged the two tables, I get this part on the left and this part on the right. So I have two sets. I don't need the last set. So I'm going to highlight this and then remove this so that I get only one version. Once I'm done, I'll now close and load this as a table in the existing sheet that I'm working in. So I'm going to place it on this side of the table, and then I'll click OK. So basically I have just extracted the common students in these two tables. In the event you have another duplicate, because this is connected to your query. So example, if Pamela appeared here and Pamela is here again, and you click refresh. So I'll go to data and I'll click refresh all. This updates. That's the power of Power Query. It's linked to the two tables. Whatever changes will also reflect in here. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Labs for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.